I wonder if you can guess what I want to talk to you about today. Today we are in my kitchen and I am making homemade pasta vermicelli. This is exactly how my grandmother used to make it. So just using egg yolk and flour, and then you spread the pastry very thin, you roll it like this, and then you cut it like this, and you end up with thin strands of pastry. And what do you think I'm doing with this pastry? Do you have any idea where I'm putting this? Well, over here I have something special. It's a homemade soup. See that ring there? That is onion, which I toasted first. That's my grandmother's recipe. And it's a fresh stock of carrots, celery, parsnips, turkey, bay leaves, red onion, which was roasted first, then some black peppercorns, and freshly filtered water. So that was boiling away there for 1 hour and a bit, maybe 1 hour 20 minutes, and giving me enough time to make this pasta, to dry it up a bit as well. It will only need, once I put the soup through the sieve, it will only need to boil for 2-3 minutes, as it is fresh pasta. And I have my son coming over for lunch. I can't wait to see him and for him to try this soup. Because if you haven't tried homemade soup, do it, my friend. It will do you a world of good. Whether you are recovering from something, from a cold, from an illness, it's a homemade treat that will warm your heart up and really nourish your body in all the ways that it wants to be nourished. So I hope that this little video has served as an inspiration, because we all have these things inside us. We can just as easily as our grandmothers were doing, we can also do things like this. See how thin that pasta is? And then I will just open up these and make them into vermicellis. And hey presto, the soup will be ready in just a few short minutes.